Hi, this is Ned from Magic of Wheels. Today I have a Rolex Datejust. This particular Rolex is powered by 3035. Still working, but I know there is something wrong, and we shall see what it is. The bracelet is worn out. So I'm gonna service this watch. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. I'm not a professional, I'm a hobbyist. Hi, this is Ned from Magic of Wheels. Welcome to part 1 video of me servicing Rolex Datejust 3035. First of all, I am checking all the functions. Date change at midnight, still working good. Quick set date change is fine. I am taking off the bracelet for easy access to the back case. This side is so stiff. Let's try the other side. It doesn't want to move at all. This bad boy will help me. This helps a lot, but still tense. Let's see if a drop of oil helps. That's a lot easier. Now I can easily remove the bracelet. So dirty. And you can obviously see the bracelet is not in condition. I'm checking the serial number here. It tells me this watch is from 1977 to 1988. Let's see the performance. The lift angle of this movement is 52. It's running with some beat error, low amplitude and slow rate. Strange enough, some position has high amplitude but the rate is very slow. Let's now open the back case. I always give it a clean before I actually open, so no particle will fall into the movement. Suddenly I notice missing of gasket. The movement, very beautiful. I'm losing 2 case clamp screws and remove the winding stem. To take out the movement, I need to lie the screw to the gap there. And the movement shall come off easily. Let's deal with the case first. I'm removing the bezel using this bezel removal tool. The blade will wade through the gap there. That crack tells me the gap has been widened. And now it should be easy. I hope this is not rust. I'm pushing the crystal off just like that. Let's see later what I can do with this. I align all the hands for removal. And I gently pry off. I am losing these diaphragm lock screws. Now I can take off the dial. Back to the movement. I am removing the balance wheel, the most delicate part. Then I am removing the automatic mechanism. Ooh, lots of dry oil there. Back to mechanism. I am removing the oscillating weight pinion. And the oscillating weight clip. Now I can remove the oscillating weight. I am remove the rest of the automatic work. Begin with removing of automatic framework. Ratchet wheel driving wheel, 2 reversing wheels and moultings. Here is the automatic bridge. Back to the dial side of the movement. First, I will remove the date ring. I twist the lock to release position. I hold down the spring and give the date ring a nudge. And this is the calendar spring. I am going to remove the calendar driving wheel, which secured by reverse threaded screw. I am sure there must be a special tool for this screw, but I haven't got one. To remove this wheel, I need to push and hold down the cam yoke. But I have to be very careful because the tension is very high and there is a jewel underneath. The hour wheel, the date corrector, and that's corrector wheel. I am removing the date ring seat. Now I am removing the cam yoke. Cannon pinion. I am using cannon pinion removal tool from Bezel. I am holding down the click to release all the mainspring tension. Now it's safe to remove pallet fork. I am removing the pallet bridge and pallet fork. Next, I'm removing the ratchet wheel. I am removing the click and the click spring. Crown wheel secured by reverse threaded screw. Crown wheel consists of crown wheel core and crown wheel itself. And that's the friction spring. I'm removing winding bridge. intermediate crown wheel, and wig-wag pinion. Now I'm removing barrel bridge. That allows me to remove the barrel. Next, I'm removing the train wheel bridge. The third wheel, the fourth wheel, the second wheel. I am removing minute pinion, the escape wheel, and minute pinion. Back to the dial side. I am removing setting lever jumper. The tip is to lose the screws first and release the spring tension then. Now I can remove all the screws. I'm removing minute wheel, setting wheel, I am removing yoke spring, I am removing the yoke, now setting lever spring. This is setting lever. This is hacking lever. Sliding pinion. And winding pinion. I am taking off the winding stem from the crown. Lastly, I uncoil the mainspring from the barrel. I'm using pin vise to hold the arbor, and I can remove the spring from the arbor. And that's all me disassemble Rolex Datejust 3035. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next video. When passion and hobby collide. I'm Ned from Ratchet Wheels.